episode for my video log. Today we'll be taking a look at what happens on your first flying lesson. This lesson took place in a PA38 Tomahawk, flying out of Cardiff Airport, and it was when the weather wasn't particularly great with strong winds. My instructor made sure that I was comfortable flying the plane throughout the lesson, as the winds were starting to pick up and it was starting to get a little bumpy up there. For those of you who aren't aware, your first lesson will comprise of getting to know the basic controls of the airplane, including how to make the plane go up and down, left and right, how to get the plane to yaw to the left or to the right, and we also covered some basic throttle controls, although this isn't necessarily going to be included in your first lesson. We'll join the flight as I'm flying over Cardiff, getting to know the feel of the aeroplane.
And we're just coming up for the unforeseen policy below, and when we do, just turn right. That's good enough for me. If you'd like to turn right now. Okay. And sort of head around the top of Cardiff, and we're going to go down between Newport and Cardiff. Okay.
Understandably, the instructor didn't want me broadcasting his entire lesson on YouTube, so here's a sped up version with some nice music. By now we're coming to the end of the lesson, and the winds had started to pick up to a point where it's becoming difficult to fly for a beginner such as myself. So we decided to turn around and head back towards Cardiff Airport.
Air 69, it's the Cardiff Docks arrival, PFL number 1500 feet 906.
Air 69, be back is correct, report approaching Cardiff Docks.
Report approaching Cardiff Docks, Air 69. Right, just the Cardiff Docks you can see in the far distance. Yep. Take it back there if you would. Okay.
On the way back to the airport, my GoPro decided to run out of battery, so unfortunately I didn't capture the landing. Needless to say though that the instructor handled it as it was a crosswind landing, and he did a pretty good job of it. Hopefully next time though, I'll be able to have a full battery and I'll capture all the flight for you. If you would like to see more of these videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you want to be notified of when I do post videos, make sure you ring that bell. But until next time guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again in the next vlog.